Welcome everyone to HueFin News. Today is July 4th, 2019. Here to give you all the news according to the charts. And we're going to talk about Bitcoin Cash today. It's been a very long time since we last did our price movement prediction in Bitcoin Cash. So we felt like we'll come in and give you all an update of what we're noticing for this particular cryptocurrency. And first of all, let me say thank you if this is your first time come to our channel, and thank you for our great support for each and every one of you who has subscribed to our channel previously. Definitely want to remind you to continue to support us by subscribing to our channel. Make sure that you go ahead and like and share these videos across the globe so everyone else can see how you are able to predict price movement without having all of those indicators or paying expensive fees or expensive costs to get price prediction, so-called software, just to try to get an advantage in the market, because none of those things are necessary in order to get a heads up as to what direction the market is going to go. Okay, as well, check us out at our website at HueFinancial.com if you want to get more of our analysis for different securities in the market for the cryptocurrency space. So now, Bitcoin Cash. Okay, the last time we did our video for Bitcoin Cash was on November the 10th, 2018. Of which you can see right here on our YouTube page that we said Bitcoin Cash is in trouble. About 7 months ago was the last time we did our video for Bitcoin Cash, and I went ahead and have created this price target box of when we did our video for Bitcoin Cash right here on November 10th. Look at the bottom of my screen. You can see right there, November 10th is when we created this video right here on YouTube, of which we anticipated the market to move to the downside in price. The low of that movement to the downside was 86.03% right here. We saw this coming before anyone else did, because the market has, in the background of this chart, has shown us that the weakness is still present. So we knew of a high confidence that the market in Bitcoin Cash was weak at that particular time, and that is precisely how it played out. Okay, so again, just give you more evidence and proof that you're able to predict price movement without causing any confusion. And with that being stated, let's go ahead and get rid of that. And we're going to give you all what we expect the market in Bitcoin Cash to do in the future. Okay, so now you can see that Bitcoin Cash is in an upward trend starting right here on the 2nd of April. The market continues to show us the ability to continue to move higher in price. All right. Positive, no problems with that at all. And you can see that we're still trading above this overall ascending line. So this ascending line will be our support area. Okay, now over the last couple of days on the daily time frame, the market in Bitcoin Cash has been giving us indications of weakness. Okay, you can tell that $440 is the current area of resistance in the market in Bitcoin Cash. Looking here on the weekly time frame is, again, the market for the week last week definitely shows us that a lot of sellers came into the market. That's not a positive thing to take note of. Okay, just because we're moving to the upside right now in the market in Bitcoin Cash doesn't mean that we're out the woods in this currency moving to the downside. Okay, real quick look at Bitcoin Cash on a 3-hour time frame. The strength is still trying to come into the market in Bitcoin Cash, but your eyes need to be fixated on $420. The market definitely continues to reflect to us that that area is being impinged for Bitcoin Cash and not moving to the upside in price. Okay, now as we're trying to see Bitcoin Cash continue to move higher in price, we need to see if the volume is going to increase on strength bars. If the market is not going to increase on volume on the strength bars that's coming in space, then the market is not going to be moving higher in the long term. Okay, so right now the strength is being seen in the market, but I'm not really that convinced that Bitcoin Cash is going to be moving substantially higher in price. We will input a new price target in the market for Bitcoin Cash paired against the dollar. It might come up there to $420, even $430, but I mean, literally after that, I'm not seeing a huge indication of strength coming to the market for Bitcoin Cash. So that $420 is the current area of resistance in the market in Bitcoin Cash. I'm going to take it here to the tops of these 2 4-hour bars for a resistance point, meaning that we can see the market in Bitcoin Cash try to continue to move higher in price. You know what? I just saw something different in the market. I'm going to switch my analysis and state that it's going to be moving higher in price. Okay. So we're going to anticipate the market in Bitcoin Cash to continue to move higher for the previous points that I mentioned, how it's trading above this ascending line. And over the last couple of 4-hour bars, we're still getting some indications of strength coming into the market for Bitcoin Cash. The only caveat in the market in Bitcoin Cash would be that $420 resistance area. Okay, so I'm telling you that now, that the market in Bitcoin Cash can find some resistance at 420, which simply means that I would TP the market there, and that simply means take profit if the market gets inundated with some weakness at $420. But all in all, I think the market is still going to try to hit this, at least this 440, which would be about a 5.69% profit to the upside. Okay, so all in all, I'm expecting the market in Bitcoin Cash to give us another jolt higher in price, and we're going to utilize this price target that we just created and anticipating it to continue to move higher before it actually does it. All right, so this is our analysis. This is our expectations in the market for Bitcoin Cash in moving higher. 420 is the resistance point right now in the market in Bitcoin Cash. We're still anticipating it to try to break above that and continue to move higher in price. 440 is the next resistance area. Okay, so give us your thoughts, your opinions. Leave us a comment in the comment section of this video about Bitcoin Cash. Do you think it's going to continue to move higher in price, or do you think we're going to continue to move lower? Make sure you all maintain your profitability, and definitely don't forget to check us out at our website, HueFinancial.com.